Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make call. Okay, how to make call to your loved ones. Okay guys, so make a call to your loved ones, wherever they are, on WhatsApp group. Okay guys, you have to create the link, you send the link to them, and then you can also make a meeting with them, whether you want to do a meeting and you want to see them face to face. Okay guys, you want to see everybody with face to face. So this is how you go about it on WhatsApp. Okay, so the first thing to do is to just come down to this area. Do you see the call, this call? So what you are going to do is to come down to this call. Do you see that? So just press on it, like this, and then you will see that we have this create call link. Okay, as you can see, the create call link, so you just have to press on it like this. Immediately this link will comes out, and then you will send the link like this. So make sure that you send it to all your friends and the one that you are trusted most. Okay guys, so whether you want the meeting to start by 4 o'clock, everybody at that 4 o'clock, they will click on this link. When they click on this link, everybody, you will see yourself, every one of you will see yourself, and you communicate together. That is exactly what you can do with WhatsApp now. With video call, you chat together, everybody, whether you are in London, you are in China, wherever country you are, just click on the link, everybody, you will join together, you will see yourself, and that is exactly what to do. So find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.